Well, let's fire up this bad motor scooter, shall we? Alright, so we're gonna put the key in, turn it on, turn the petcock to on. Then we're gonna come up here. Oh, it's on. Turn it to run. And we're gonna come over here and make sure that we're in neutral. There's the light, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Everything working right? We're on. We got everything going. So what do we think? Alright, some of you who know what you're doing may have noticed I didn't have the choke out. Let's try it again.